So this is XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday, the 12th of September. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw this breakdown from this 11.99. We were mentioning possible tests of that 11.90. Trade through 11.90 down towards this 11.88. Saw this bullish buy side momentum retest at 11.99, where we do have the other confluences of the 400 and 200 period moving averages. We've had this pullback. We do appear to have that bullish momentum come back into the market. So we'll see if we do have this momentum follow through to retest at 11.99. If we can break and hold that 11.99, possibly looking for a move towards that 12.0469. If we do see continued buy side momentum beyond the 12.0469, the very next level of note is a move up towards that 12.1426 here on the XAUUSD. Now, there remains a possibility of us seeing a breakdown. We've had difficulty in breaking back above this 11.99 here on the XAUUSD. So if we do see a sharp acceleration here to the downside, possibly looking for a move down towards 11.8532, successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards 11.8042. And if we do see that continued sell side momentum beyond that, the very next level of note here to the downside would be a move down towards possibly that 11.60. Have a few minor levels in around 11.64 and 11.70, but the very next major level of note is a move down towards that 11.60 here on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart of the XAUUSD, we can see the sharp acceleration here to the downside from this downtrend on the XAUUSD. We've come down towards that 11.60. From that 11.60, we've seen this somewhat pullback all the way up towards that 12.14. We did have a pullback from that 11.99 all the way down towards that 11.85. Found support, accelerated momentum back up towards that 12.1426. Now we've consolidated above the 11.99, and at present we've had difficulty breaking back above that 11.99. So if we do continue to hold that resistance at 11.99, may just see a breakdown towards that 11.85. And if we do break that 11.85, the very next level of note beyond that is, of course, the very next major level, which would be in around that 11.60 from a daily chart perspective. We do have a few minor levels in around 11.80, 11.70, and 11.64. But the very next major level from a breakdown of that 11.85, possibly being in around that 11.60 here on the XAUUSD. Now, if we can break and hold above that 11.60, which is appearing a bit unlikely at present, but if we can break and hold above it, we'll see. We're then looking to see prices potentially from a daily chart perspective head up towards that 12.14, and beyond that, we're then looking at price head up towards the mid to high 12.20s here on the XAUUSD. But at present, market has gone into a bit of a tight consolidation here in around that 11.99. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.